Hi guys, Raj here from Trading College. Lee's off on holiday, so me and Osian are filling in to do a quick video. And we're going to cover some of the major indices. We'll also look at maybe a commodity and some FX pairs. I think it was Aussie Swissy. Is that right, Osian?
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, so we'll check it out. So we'll start off with the DAX. So you can see really what we're looking at here is we've had a new momentum trigger on the daily chart, and we've had a few good bullish days of price action. We've got nothing really to suggest that that won't really continue at the moment. We kind of expect that it will continue to go up, but there's really like a bit of a bank of resistance in and around this area that we're kind of thinking that could be a bit of an issue in the coming days. So that's really what we're really looking at. I mean, what were your thoughts about it, Ocean?
Yeah, I was looking at that. And also, if we take a look at the weekly chart, that sort of band of resistance also coincides with the 200 period moving average on the weekly.
So it's
And so
pretty
we
much
just need to
exactly
make
the same
sure that
place.
we just need to sort of make sure that it doesn't have a stronger reaction, retrace a bit more before then continuing up.
Yeah, no, it looks good. It looks good. So, I mean, there is a bit of resistance there, but obviously, we've got to see sometimes these resistance levels are there to be broken. So let's see. Let's see if we can close above there at any point this week. Then we'll obviously keep that bullish bias going on. So, what was the next chart you were looking at, Ocean? What were you thinking about?
I think gold was looking quite promising on the weekly, so I think that's worth a look.
Wicked. Let's check out gold. Bring up the weekly time frame. Here we go. So that's gold on the weekly. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, so we can see that for the past few weeks, it's been in a big downtrend, which you can see with the red PTS there, where we're having a nice retracement now in the price, and we're setting up sort of like a double trend predictor short.
Hmm.
So it means that we could be looking for either sort of towards the end of this week or into next week for price to come back down to that nice end shape on the weekly.
Yeah, so basically just setting yourself up for like the week ahead or for the next 10 days or so, just trying to see here. I mean, one thing that I kind of like to look at when things like this happens is that obviously it's a little bit similar to the DAX in the sense that we've got this massive resistance zone, but then also if we kind of break below this little, candlestick low here, that could kind of give us a bit of a confirmation that wherever time this breaks below there, that we could actually start seeing a bit more bearish action because of these, like you said, the double trend predictors and being below the zero line on the storyteller. So that's quite useful as well. That's a pretty good spot. What else were you thinking?
I think there's some nice sort of stuff setting up on crude. Um, we've got some momentum triggers on the daily and the weekly.
Okay, yeah.
They
So daily, yeah, we've got a negative momentum trigger on the downside. So the first negative momentum trigger on the weekly. Let's pick up the daily and see your thoughts there. What were you thinking about this one?
Yeah, so we've got another momentum trigger short just confirmed on the daily as well.
Yeah.
But we've just got such a big area of support under the price, and especially where it's a lot clearer on the weekly as well. We've got the moving average right under as well. So really, I think I would be waiting for it to sort of break below and confirm below before looking for any sort of big trade short in this market.
Yeah, we've had a lot of these type of retracements right now, and it's pretty similar across the board, isn't it? I mean, is that why like the Aussie Swissy was one that you were looking at because maybe there was a bit more space, or what was giving you your
Yeah,
idea?
in fact, yeah, it's looking very similar, but yeah, this one just feels like it's got more space and it's
Hmm.
starting to lose some momentum on the monthly as well. So I think this looks good for some more short sides.
Yeah, and you're about to get a new daily momentum trigger as well on that one to the downside, so that looks quite
Mhm.
good. Yeah, I like the look of this one. Yeah, no, thanks. It's good to get your thoughts, and obviously, for anybody who doesn't know who Oshin is on our newsletter list, he's one of the new support coaches that's joined in recently. He's been trading very well, so it's good to get another analyst's opinion and another trader's opinion on some of these asset classes. So no, quite happy. I think we'll keep an eye on this for the rest of the week, and hopefully some of these trades will set up. What do you think, Oshin?
Yeah, it'll be great to see how they all progress. It'll be interesting to watch.
All right, wicked. Thanks.
Cheers.